Let's get right into it. Number 7. Rogue planets. Imagine you're floating in deep space, and suddenly, boom, you bump into a planet. No sun, no orbit, just a giant rock the size of Jupiter wandering through the void like a drunk guy who missed his Uber. These are rogue planets. They've been kicked out of their solar systems, doomed to drift forever in cold darkness, and there are billions of them. Some are gas giants, some are Earth-sized, and the creepy part is, they're invisible. No sunlight means no glow. They're just out there, cloaked in black, moving silently through space like cosmic assassins. Statistically, one could be heading our way right now and we wouldn't see it until it was too late. Surprise planet, straight to the face, and don't picture them as lifeless husks either. Some scientists think rogue planets might actually have subsurface oceans warmed by radioactive decay, which means, yeah, there could be entire alien ecosystems out there, thriving in eternal night. Imagine an ocean of blind, glowing creatures swimming beneath ice on a planet that doesn't even have a star. Basically, the universe is a giant cosmic bowling alley, and we're just a fragile little pin waiting for some lost planet to roll into us at 200,000 miles an hour. Sleep tight. Number 6. Gamma ray bursts. If space had nuclear weapons, gamma ray bursts would be the doomsday button. These are explosions so powerful they outshine entire galaxies for a few seconds. Where do they come from? Stars collapsing, neutron stars colliding, black holes throwing tantrums, basically, cosmic drama at its finest. Here's the terrifying part. If one went off anywhere in our galactic neighborhood and happened to be pointed at Earth, you wouldn't even know. You'd be outside mowing your lawn, sipping lemonade, and then, zap, your atmosphere is fried, your DNA is scrambled, and your planet is now a microwaved burrito. No warning, no defense, no chance. Scientists think a gamma ray burst may have actually caused one of Earth's mass extinctions hundreds of millions of years ago. So yes, this has already happened to us once, and because the universe loves reruns, it could happen again. Basically, the sky is like an old TV, and every so often, it randomly fires a death laser that can erase entire worlds. You don't even get the satisfaction of seeing it coming, just a light show, and then, credits roll. Number 5. Black hole spaghettification. You know those all-you-can-eat buffets where the restaurant is secretly hoping you'll just give up before the crab legs? A black hole is kind of like that, except you are the crab leg. If you ever got too close, your body wouldn't just fall in, it would stretch. Literally, gravity near a black hole is so uneven that the pull on your feet is thousands of times stronger than the pull on your head. The result? Spaghettification. Yes, that's the actual science word. You'd get stretched into a long, thin noodle of atoms, like cosmic linguine. Delicious. The real kicker? Time behaves differently too. To an outside observer, you'd appear frozen on the edge of the black hole forever, while you, on the inside, are being slurped up like some intergalactic pasta. And scientists don't even really know what happens beyond the event horizon. Your atoms could be shredded into radiation, dumped into another universe, or maybe, just maybe, you're reassembled into the worst version of yourself in some other reality. So yeah, black holes are basically space garbage disposals, except instead of crushing banana peels and eggshells, they're swallowing stars, planets, and anyone unlucky enough to take a wrong turn. Number 4. The heat death of the universe. Picture the longest, most boring Netflix buffer screen of all time. That's the future of the universe. Scientists believe that one day, trillions upon trillions of years from now, everything will run out of usable energy. No stars, no warmth, no motion, just endless, freezing darkness where nothing interesting ever happens again. It's called heat death, which is ironic, because it's basically the opposite of heat. Even black holes won't survive. Over inconceivably long timescales, they'll evaporate into nothing. Galaxies will drift apart, stars will burn out, and atoms themselves may eventually decay. The universe won't explode in fire, it'll just slowly fade out. So imagine standing in the dead silence of space. No stars, no galaxies, no cosmic neighbors, just infinite, empty nothingness, forever. That's where we're all headed. Humanity's epic journey ends not with a bang, but with the world's longest nap. Basically, the universe has a low battery warning, you just can't see it yet. Number 3. Rogue planets. Imagine driving home and suddenly realizing your house isn't there. Not burned down, not moved, just gone, floating in the middle of nowhere. That's what rogue planets are. Fully formed worlds drifting through interstellar space with no star, no sun, and no cozy orbit to call home. Astronomers estimate there could be more rogue planets than stars in our galaxy. That's right, most of the planets in the universe are homeless space orphans, just wandering the void. Some are frozen, dead husks. Others may still have molten cores, hidden oceans, or even atmospheres, meaning, in theory, there could be life out there, evolving in complete eternal darkness, never knowing what a sunrise even is. The scary part? Rogue planets aren't just floating out there peacefully, they're basically cosmic bowling balls. At any point, one could quietly drift into our solar system, disrupting orbits, pulling on Earth's gravity, or just smacking into us like the worst possible car accident. Scientists assure us the odds are low, which is scientist code for, we're not watching every single one. So, good luck. So while you're stressing about rent or exams, remember, there's a chance some frozen demon planet is silently rolling through the universe, ready to ruin our neighborhood. Sleep tight. Number 2. The Great Silence. Okay, here's the creepiest question of all. Where is everyone? The universe is massive. We've got billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars, each with billions of planets. Statistically, there should be life everywhere. But so far, radio silence, not a single verified hello. That's the Fermi paradox, and it keeps scientists up at night. Maybe civilizations self-destruct before they can colonize space. Maybe advanced aliens are hiding on purpose, waiting until we look less embarrassing. Or maybe, and this is the bone-chilling one, we're truly alone. Just one random rock with a bunch of apes who figured out Wi-Fi. And here's where it gets darker. What if the silence is the answer? What if there's something out there wiping civilizations out before they can spread? A kind of cosmic predator cleaning house. In that case, the reason we don't hear anyone else is because they've all been deleted. So yeah, the scariest sound in the universe isn't a black hole roaring or a star exploding. It's the deafening, eternal nothing of space refusing to answer back. Number 1. The heat, death of everything. You've probably had a bad day before. Maybe your coffee spilled, your boss yelled at you, and you stubbed your toe all before lunch. But don't worry, none of that matters, because one day the entire universe is going to die anyway. This isn't some sci-fi apocalypse where aliens invade or a rogue asteroid ends things. No, this is much worse. It's called the heat death of the universe. Basically, all the stars will burn out, black holes will evaporate, and even atoms will eventually fall apart. Over trillions and trillions of years, energy spreads so thin that nothing, literally nothing, can ever happen again. No light, no warmth, no sound, just an infinite, eternal darkness where time drags on, but there's nothing left to experience it. Imagine the world's most boring waiting room, except the waiting room is the size of the universe. The lights are off, and you're the only one there, forever. And before you comfort yourself with, well, that's far away, here's the kicker. The universe doesn't just end like flipping a switch. We're already heading there. Every second, stars are burning out, galaxies are drifting farther apart, and the cosmic fuel tank is running low. Right now, you are literally living in the teen years of the universe. Bright, chaotic, but destined for a long, lonely decline. So next time you're panicking about turning 30, just remember, the entire cosmos is slowly aging into oblivion with you. At least we're all in it together. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.